question number 56. The question says, which of the following had the smallest brain capacity? Now remember, Homo sapiens include three genera, three subspecies. The first is Homo sapiens neanderthalensis, which had a cranial capacity of around 1400 cc. The second was Cro-Magnon men, that was Homo sapiens fossilis, which had the maximum cranial capacity of around 1650 cc. And the third is modern man, which is Homo sapiens sapiens, having a cranial capacity of around 13 to 1400 cc. So we can say that Homo sapiens have a range of cranial capacity from 1400 to 1600 cc. Homo neanderthalensis, that is the second option, have around 1400 cc. Homo habilis, that is able or skillful man, had a cranial capacity of about 650 to 800 cc. While Homo erectus, that included Java apes and Peking man, etc. It has a cranial capacity of around 900 cc. So the correct answer to this question is C, Homo habilis.
Next question is question 57. High value of BOD, biochemical oxygen demand, indicates that option 1, water is highly polluted. Option 2, water is less polluted. Option 3, consumption of organic matter in the water is higher by microbes. And option 4 is water is pure. Here the correct answer is option 3, because the biochemical oxygen demand is a measure for the content of organic matter in water. So the correct option is 3. Option 1 is water is highly polluted, but it can get polluted even by the materials which are not considered as organic matter, so that option is not valid, and we'll mark it as option 3.
Okay students, let us now come to question number 58, AIPMT 2015, set F. What does the question says? Sliding filament theory, the one which was proposed by Huxley, can be best explained as. This is with respect to striated muscle. As we know, striated muscles are called as striated or striped because of alternate arrangement of bands, light band and dark bands. Light bands, which we also call as I bands, because they are anisotropic to light, because they are isotropic to light, and A band, which is the dark band. Why? Because it is anisotropic to light. Why A band or dark band doesn't allow light to pass through is because it is made up of myosin filaments. Means, remember, for A band I have myosin molecules, and for I band I have actin. This doesn't allow light to pass through, this allows light to pass through. And there is alternate arrangement of this A band, then I band, then A band, then I band. Now, when the muscles contract, okay, the smallest unit of contraction of striated muscle is sarcomere, if you remember. The portion of the filament, the portion of the myofibril between two Z line, that comprises of one complete A band and on the adjacent side, two half I band. Means I have A band like this, thick bands, and in between trying to get inserted is my I band. And when the muscle gets completely contracted, this I band gets completely getting inserted inside the A band till the line that is right at the middle called as the M line. The zone which was seen up till now in the relaxed condition, which we call as the H zone, will completely disappear. So what has happened? My I band has gone inside my A band. Means I can also say my I filaments, that is my actin filaments, are going or sliding over my myosin filament, where the size of the band gets shortened up. Remember this, band is shortened, not the length of the filaments. That remains the same. So again I am repeating, my I band goes inside, or my actin filament slides over the myosin filaments, where the size of the I band decreases, A band remains the constant, whereas the length of all the filaments remains the same. So as per that, what I can come to the conclusion. First, actin and myosin filaments shorten. Right now I said the filaments ka size, the length remains intact. It doesn't shorten. So the first option is out of question. Second, if I see, before I go to second, let us see the third one. Okay. When myofilaments slide past each other, myosin filaments shorten. Again, they are saying filaments are getting shortened. So this option is also the incorrect one. When myofilaments slide past each other, actin filaments shorten. Actin filaments only slide over myosin filaments, they don't get shorter. So this is also not the correct answer. So my correct answer is option 2, which correctly says actin and myosin filaments do not shorten but rather just slide past each other.
Alright children, let us now see question number 59. The question says, a gymnast is able to balance his body upside down even in total darkness. Now important is this total darkness, that is, they want to tell you that the visual sense is not there because of. Now remember, when visual sense is not there, you are dependent for your balance on your joint receptors, that which are also called as proprioceptors, or you are dependent on your ear, vestibular apparatus of ear. Now in ear, the internal ear contains two parts, cochlea and vestibule. Cochlea is the organ of hearing, which contain organ of Corti, and organ of Corti contains tectorial membrane, that is also called as membrana tectoria. So all these three options are the organ of hearing, while vestibular apparatus is the organ of balancing. Hence the answer to this question is vestibular apparatus.
Next question is question 60. A man with blood group A marries a woman with blood group B. What are the possible blood groups of these offsprings? Option 1 is A, B and AB only. Option 2 is A, B, AB and O. Option 3 is O only, and option 4 is A and B only. Here for question 60, the correct option is answer 2. That is, if the man's blood group is A and the woman's blood group is B, the child can have either A, B, AB or O blood group. This is because the person with blood group A can have genotype IA, or it can be IA-IO. The woman's blood group is B, so here also it can be IB-IB or IB-IO. So they can give birth to a child with blood with the alleles like IA, IA-IO, then the blood group could be A, or it could be IB, IB-IO, it could be B. If it is IO, then it will be O, and if it is IA and IB inherited from both parents, then it can be AB blood group. So all 4 blood groups are possible.